This video guide will help you to get rid of the scary and deceptive alerts coming from the website peoplearound.me. Peoplearound.me. It's a deceptive website that tries to trick its visitors into subscribing to the multiple ads in the form of web push notifications. Peoplearound.me tells you to click on the special allow button, supposedly to skip advertisements and watch some video. At the first glance, it indeed might look as if there is some video here, but in reality, whenever people mistakenly agree with the proposal and click on allow, they don't see any video, but instead they get redirected to some other deceptive content that may even infect their browsers or the entire computer with potentially unwanted programs. All these redirections caused by that website are not good. It means that your computer may be exposed to some cyber threats. So if you have clicked on allow, you need to immediately implement some fixes of your browser. So access the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Then in Permissions, choose Notifications and carefully research the sites that are allowed to send notifications. When you find this peoplearound.me, click on this related button and remove this website from the list, as well as other malicious sites that might be causing such troubles. Finally, I recommend you to additionally investigate your Windows computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the official page combocleaner.com. After the program is downloaded, start the application and it will help you to detect and delete other threats from your system and to protect your computer from being infected in future. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protected against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware. And as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.